part 2, guys. Wow. Okay guys, today is Thursday, August the 1st, 2019. So yeah. That's a pretty bad storm. It's a pretty bad storm. Oh my gosh. Let me scoot over this way. Look at that. Wow. Scoot this camera over. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. Let me go ahead and go to the location. Charge. Guys, I can hear something from this window, from behind this window. Oh my god! Is that hail? Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Bueno, yo también entendí que era lo mismo como él.
No es lo mismo. El físico nomás le sacan orina, le examinan todos los cuerpos, pero no le hacen el papá.
Y es loco que es igual.
Dude, I can see you.
El papá Nicolau es cuando le meten la concha aquella como tijera vaginal. Cuando le hacen el físico no le hacen eso.
No, ¿verdad?
No la chequean el gusto, dientes, pero vaginalmente.
Y este video
No, but I see hail. I kind of see it.
What? Oh, it looks like I'm gonna go for a swim tomorrow. In the rain.
Papá Nicolau en esa maquinita le
It's gonna flood, Daniel.
Hold on.
lo mandan a la
Are we on the
Let me go. Let me go check
We need to
something.
go check on Oso. Oso's in his little house. Look how scared he is. Look how scared he is. He's so scared.
Let me
Daniel,
see.
Don't you care for him? Don't you care for Oso? Look at him. Daniel, do you care for Oso?
I don't know.
Bro, look at him. Look at him.
Dude, it's 74 degrees.
Daniel, look at him. Look at how poor he is and sad he is. He's crying.
He's a little scared.
He is scared. He's a little puppy. He's a little. He's still little. He's still a little dog. Right, Daniel? So of course he's going to be scared. Daniel, do you think I'm going to go after a swim? Tomorrow when it stops raining, I'm going to ride my bike through the grass. And then I'm going to go for a swim. Should I go for a swim?
No.
tienen a fuerte mal.
That will not be perfect.
Sacar un centellazo y lo va a dejar paralizado.
Para mí si Oso y nos metió a la casa, pues vamos a...
Sí, dentro de la casa. Pero debería tener miedo porque la
Y no le dieron comida, yo le dije a él que le iba a poner comida.
Now he's gonna be starving. Then now one of us has to get on the bed and we'll get
Oh my Lord and mercy.
Están cayendo granitos.
Wow.
Eso que hacen el tomate, mira.
OMG.
Eso es que es un granito.
Es un tomate amarillo, encima o rojo.
Granitos son.
It's probably hail.
Llegué, mira. Que si me tardo más, me agarra este aguaje.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, that would never happen to me in my entire life. Wow, what was that? Oh my gosh, the window's leaking right inside the house. Holy, in the name of Jesus Christ. I may have to clean this up.
Daniel, check my heartbeat. Is my heartbeat fast?
Yeah. Powerful. Very powerful. Very powerful.
En la radio le dicen para mañana había lluvia, para hoy no decían nada.
Ya ven que nadie viene.
Oh my